Amazon Affiliate Marketing, also known as Amazon Associates, is an online affiliate marketing program offered by Amazon. It allows individuals, bloggers, website owners, and content creators to earn commissions by promoting and linking to products sold on Amazon's platform. Here's how it generally works. Promotion. Affiliates can promote any product available on Amazon's website by creating special affiliate links. These links contain their unique affiliate ID, which allows Amazon to track the traffic and sales generated through their links. Content creation. Affiliates create content such as blog posts, reviews, videos, social media posts, or even entire websites centered around product recommendations. They incorporate their affiliate links into this content. User clicks and purchases. When a user clicks on an affiliate link and makes a purchase on Amazon, within a specific time frame, usually 24 hours, the affiliate earns a commission on that sale. The commission rate varies based on the product category, and it can range from a few percent to more substantial percentages for certain categories. Earnings and payouts. As affiliates generate sales, their earnings accumulate in their Amazon Associates account. Once a minimum earnings threshold is reached, they can request a payout. Payouts can be in the form of Amazon gift cards, direct deposits, or checks, depending on the affiliate's location. Amazon affiliate marketing can be an attractive way for content creators to monetize their online presence, especially if they have a niche audience interested in purchasing products from Amazon. However, it's important for affiliates to follow Amazon's guidelines and disclose their affiliate relationship transparently in accordance with legal and ethical standards. It's worth noting that Amazon's affiliate program terms and conditions can change, and commission rates may vary over time and based on your location. Always refer to the official Amazon Associates website for the most up-to-date information.